Today I'm going to unbox the new Leatherman ARC multi-tool that I received the other day. Now I haven't actually looked at this yet. I just split the tape on the box. So let's open it and see what we have. We have the user guide right here that will tell us about all the features. And then we have this gray kind of woven canvas style belt case. It's got a belt loop pretty tight there, and it has a snap button that has like a hole in the center there. That's kind of cool. And it's elastic. It's a spot here for, I don't know, a pin or something else. Another one on the other side. And of course your multi-tool and other accessories can go in these slots inside. And then when you're ready to go, you just snap it. So that's kind of nice. It comes with this set of bits that are kind of flat. Let's see if I can get one of them out here. Yep, there's a little square bit. So you have that. And now here is the tool itself. Move this out of the way. And here it is. It's got this kind of cool, and this light, it looks like kind of like a gunmetal kind of color. It's not real glossy. It's more of a satin finish with black. It looks pretty spiffy. It says Leatherman ARC right there on that one side. And again, on the other side on the handle, it's got a pocket clip. You can see the tools here. You can access them while the multi-tool is closed. Or you can open this up and you have yourself a nice pair of needle nose pliers. Looks like wire cutters. Now the one thing that I'm noticing right away is they are not spring loaded. So you're going to have to use your pinky to open the handles. I like myself a pair of spring-loaded pliers. I don't know if I'm in the minority there. So when the tool is open, all of the blades and other tools are inside, which is not unusual. So let's close this back up like that. And let's start looking at the tools. We got a file here which locks in place. And to unlock it, you have the unlock right here. You just press it with your thumb and you can close it. Really satisfying click when you open and when you close. Then we have where you can open these tools at the back here. You've got a flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, really nice, thick, well-made tools. Again, it snaps in place, locks in place, and then to open it, you just press that little lever, and then you can close it. What else we got here? We got this very tiny Phillips screwdriver for your glasses. So that's kind of cool. And the bit can be flipped. Let's see if I can figure out how to get that out of there. Oh, okay, so it's got like a little locking clip right there, and you flip it over. And it secures in place, and then you have a little tiny flathead screwdriver. So that's one. And we have an awl that you could use. That's sharp. It's got a sharp blade point. Let's move that out of the way. Then we have our scissors. So that is all the tools on that side. So let's go ahead and close them one by one here, which we have to unlock the lock for each tool, and then we can close it. Okay. Let's go to the other side where we have a button here, so we can open this blade with just one hand. That's a nice looking Magna Cut blade. Look at that guy. He is sharp. I like the black finish on it. And again, it locks in place here with this little locking mechanism. Let's try to pull out these other tools. We have, looks like a can opener. We have a saw blade. We have this larger bit driver. To get that open, you just press the lever there with your thumb and it opens up, and that's where you would use the bits that come with it. It just pulls out, and it's got like a little indent there that will hold the bits in place. So you just stick it in there, and it's not going to really go anywhere, but you can pull it out and put the new one in, or flip it around. So the one that comes installed, it's got a flathead screwdriver, and it has a Phillips screwdriver. That's a nice tool. It'll give you a nice torque. And then on this end, you have like an impact surface. So if you wanted to use this to drive in a nail, you could if you wanted to. And there you have Leatherman's latest multi-tool, the Leatherman ARC, with the Magna Cut blade. Really nice, really well made, just like all the Leatherman's tools.